I started to see how amazing this really is and how amazing it really could be. I want to show you that you're able to do the same thing. You can make a career for yourself in the home service industry. And my goal is to help you along the way. I'd be willing to bet that you'll make more money and you'll also have more free time if that's how you want to do it. In my 20s, I struggled to find my purpose in life, just like most of us do, but mainly a career path. I searched for years, tried so many different things. I worked in the food industry, the oil fields, I played music, I lived in a van in Nashville. I even created a product using a 3D printer that I was hoping to mass produce. But none of these led to anywhere, and I was always left wanting something more. I always felt like I was destined to do something great. In 2017, I was 27. I worked at a casino for 6 months, absolutely hating every minute of it. So I had to find a way out. So one day, this guy came in telling me about how he owns his own business, building and fixing homes. And he said something to me. He said, there's a great need in this area for even basic home repair services. And that was when the light bulb clicked on. I thought, this is it. I'll quit my job. I'll work for myself, doing odd jobs for people. So I came up with a business name. I printed off business cards and put in my 2 weeks. I'd only been married for 6 months, but my wife supported me in doing this. Fast forward 6 years, I have a very successful home service industry business that brings in over $150,000 a year for the past 2 years. But more importantly, this has allowed my wife to stay home and raise our 2 daughters. I've acquired nearly every tool that I need to do my job efficiently. I have 3 trailers, a truck, hundreds of clients, and at the end of the day, I'm my own boss. Now, I'm not trying to brag about where I'm at or what I have acquired or anything like that. I'm sharing this with you because when I started out, I was working out of a 96 Jetta. I had a Black & Decker drill that my grandpa gave me, a ladder that I borrowed from my father-in-law, and a bunch of random tools that I had acquired when I was working in the oil fields. When I first started, I was staying up late playing video games all night, getting up late. It's probably why I wanted to work for myself, because I like sleeping in. I hate getting up early. But I created this channel to encourage and help other individuals just like you. See, I really didn't have anyone to help me create this business when I started. It was something I just went for. I watched hundreds of hours of YouTube about business and new jobs that I was taking on so that I could learn. And it was a slow process. It took me a long time. I had to learn a lot before I could really get the ball rolling. But I started to see how amazing this really is and how amazing it really could be. I want to show you that you're able to do the same thing. You can make a career for yourself in the home service industry. And my goal is to help you along the way. I'd be willing to bet that you'll make more money and you'll also have more free time if that's how you want to do it. So if you're interested in starting a home service business or joining a community of others in this niche, then subscribe to this channel and leave me a comment about your journey. I'll have some resources coming out soon that I believe will really be able to help you even if you've been doing this for a few years. So like the video, subscribe, and I will see you in the comments.